Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about homogeneous and non-homogeneous partial differential equation. So the solution is z is equal to CF plus PI, where CF is complementary function and PI is particular integral. So how to find this complementary function? To find complementary function, let's take a equation a d square plus 6d d dash plus c d dash square into z is equal to f of xy. So replace d by m and d dash by 1. Therefore the equation becomes am square plus bm plus c. So solve this equation to find roots m1 and m2. So if m1 is not equal to m2, then cf is equal to f1 of y plus m1x plus f2 of y plus m2x. If m1 is equal to m2, then cf is equal to f1 of y plus m1x plus x into f2 of y plus m2x. So here the first type is right hand side is equal to 0. So if right hand side is equal to 0, then it is homogeneous equation. If the right hand side have some variables or some cos or sin theta anything, then it is non-homogeneous. So here let's see some examples. Solve dou square z by dou x square minus 3 into dou square z by dou x dou y plus 2 into dou square z by dou y square is equal to 0. So here put dou z by dou x equal to d and dou z by dou y is equal to d dash. Therefore the equation becomes d square minus 3d d dash plus 2d dash square is into z equal to 0. Substitute d is equal to m and d dash equal to 1. Therefore m square minus 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. From this we can find m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to 2. So z is equal to, that is a complementary function. Here no particular integral. If there is anything in the right hand side, then you have to find a particular integral. Here it is 0, therefore z is equal to, directly we can say z is equal to f1 of y plus x plus f2 of y plus 2x. Next, how to find particular integral. If the right hand side is not equal to 0, we have to find particular integral. So, the given equation is a d square plus b d dash plus c d dash square into z is equal to f of x comma y. So, for particular integral, put f of xy in numerator and the given equation in denominator. In type 2, particular integral for e power ax plus by. So here the steps are, put d is equal to a and d dash equal to b in the particular integral solution. If denominator is not equal to 0, we directly get the particular integral. If denominator is equal to 0, then put x in numerator and differentiate the denominator with respect to d. So again we have to check if the denominator is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, we get pi, or we have to do the same method. Here the first question is, solve d square minus d dash square into z is equal to e power x plus 2y. Here the auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore m minus 1 into m plus 1 equal to 0, m1 equal to 1 and m2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore here m1 and m2 are not equal. Therefore complementary function equal to f1 of y plus x plus f2 of y minus x. Next, particular integral. Put this e power x plus 2y in numerator and d square minus d dash square in denominator. Here put d is equal to 1, d dash equal to 2. Here the coefficients are 1 and 2. Therefore e power x plus 2y divided by 1 minus d dash square is equal to 4. Therefore 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Therefore particular integral equal to minus e power x plus 2y divided by 3. So substitute here z is equal to cf plus pi is equal to f1 of y plus x plus f2 of y minus x minus e power x plus 2y divided by 3. Next question is, solve d plus d dash square into z equal to e power x minus y. Here the auxiliary equation is, put d is equal to m and d dash equal to 1. Therefore m plus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. Cf is equal to f1 of y minus x plus x into f2 of y minus x. Next, particular integral. So e power minus x minus y divided by d plus d dash square. Use the a plus b the whole square formula. Therefore e power x minus y divided by d square plus 2d d dash minus d dash square. Here substitute d is equal to 1 and d dash equal to minus 1. If we do that, it becomes 0. Therefore we have to multiply x in numerator and denominator we have to differentiate with respect to d. Therefore x into e power x minus y divided by, if d square if we differentiate become 2d plus here d become 1, therefore plus 2d dash and minus d dash square is 0, therefore 2d plus 2d dash. So again we have to substitute d for 1 and d dash is equal to minus 1, therefore it all again becomes 0. So again we have to multiply x, therefore x square into e power x minus y divided by, if we differentiate with respect to d it becomes 2, therefore directly we can find particular integral. Therefore z is equal to cf plus pi. So z is equal to f1 of y minus x plus x into f2 of y minus s plus x square into e power x minus y divided by 2. In type 3, particular integral for sin of ax plus by or cos of ax plus by. Here the steps are put d square is equal to minus a square, d dash equal to minus ab and d dash square is equal to minus b square. Remaining steps are same. Next question is solve d square minus d dash into z is equal to sin x into cos 2y. Here the auxiliary equation is m square minus m is equal to 0. Therefore m into m minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 0, 1. Therefore CF is equal to f1 of y plus f2 of y plus x because m1 and m2 are different. Therefore particular integral equal to sin x into cos 2y divided by d square minus d dash. Here use the formula sin a cos b. Sin a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. So here 1 by 2, here a is x and b is 2y. Therefore sin of x plus 2y plus sin of x minus 2y divided by d square minus d dash. Here split it. Therefore 1 by 2 into sin of x plus 2y divided by d square minus d dash plus sin of x minus 2y divided by d square minus d dash. So here d square is equal to, substitute d square is equal to minus 1 and d dash equal to minus 2. Here d square is equal to minus 1 and d dash equal to plus 2. Here because d square is equal to minus a square. Here a is 1, therefore minus 1. And again d dash is equal to minus a into b. Therefore 1 into 2 minus 2. Here also same. Therefore 1 by 2 into sin of x plus 2y divided by minus 1 plus 2 plus sin of x minus 2y divided by minus 1 minus 2. Therefore 1 by 2 into sin of x plus 2y divided by 1 and here minus 3. So if we multiply the 1 by 2 inside, therefore particular integral equal to sin of x plus 2y divided by 2 minus sin of x minus 2y divided by 6. Therefore substitute here z is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. In type 4, particular integral for x and y. So here the rules are, in denominator take first term as common, then use the formula 1 plus x the whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 minus x plus x square minus x square plus etc. And 1 minus x the whole power minus 1 is equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube plus etc. Here the question is solve d square minus 2d dash plus 2d dash square into z is equal to x square y square. Here the auxiliary equation is m square minus 2m plus 2 is equal to 0. From this we use the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a formula. Therefore the m1 is equal to 1 plus I and m2 is equal to 1 minus I. Therefore CF is equal to f1 of y plus 1 plus I into x plus f2 into y plus 1 minus I into x. Here the particular integral is x square y square divided by d square minus 2d dash plus 2d dash square. So here take d square as common. Therefore the equation becomes 1 minus of 2d dash minus 2d dash square divided by d square. So take this to numerator, therefore the power becomes minus 1. So use the formula 1 minus x the whole power minus 1. Therefore x square y square divided by d square into 1 plus 2d dash minus 2d dash square divided by d square plus etc. So split this. Therefore x square y square divided by d square into 1 plus 2d, here d and d are cancelled, therefore 2d dash divided by d minus 2d dash square divided by d square. So multiply x square and y square inside. Therefore 1 by d square into x square y square plus 2d dash by d into x square y square minus 2d dash square divided by d square into x square y square. Here d is x, d mentions x, and d dash mentions y. And if d and d dash in numerator, we have to differentiate. If it is in denominator, we have to integrate it. Therefore here, when we differentiate with respect to y, it becomes 2y. Therefore 2x square y. Differentiate with respect to y, it will become 2x square y. Again, second time if we differentiate, it become 2x square. Therefore 1 by d square into x square y square plus 2 by d into 2x square y minus 2 by d square into 2x square. Again, if it is in denominator, we have to integrate it. Integrate with respect to x. Therefore x cube divided by 3. Here 2 into 2, 4. Here 2 times we have to integrate. First time x cube by 3. Again if we integrate, it become x power 4 divided by 12. Therefore minus 4 x power 4 divided by 12. Then outside we have to again you have to integrate 2 times with respect to x. Therefore x power 4 y square divided by 12 plus 4 into x power 5 y divided by 60 minus 4 into x power 5 divided by 60. If we solve this, we can get but pi is equal to x power 4 y square divided by 12 plus x power 5 y divided by 15 minus x power 5 divided by 15. Z is equal to CF plus PA. Type 5 is particular integral for x and y with sin x or cos x. Here we have to use the formula x into v divided by f of d is equal to xv divided by f of d minus f dash of d divided by f of d the whole square into v. Solve d square plus d dash minus 6d dash square into z is equal to y cos x. Here y is in multiplication with cos x. So therefore auxiliary equation is m square plus m minus 6 equal to 0. From this we can find m1 equal to m2 is equal to minus 3. Here m1 and m2 are not equal. Therefore CF is equal to f1 of y plus 2x plus f2 of y minus 3x. Then particular integral y cos x divided by d square plus d dash minus 6d dash square. Here use the formula x into v divided by f of d. Therefore put the same here, y cos x divided by d square plus d dash minus 6d dash square minus f dash of d. So differentiate with respect to d. Therefore 2d plus d dash into v. For v, we put cos x divided by d square plus d dash minus 6d dash square the whole square. From this, y cos x divided by d square plus d dash minus 6d dash square minus, here if we multiply, we have to differentiate with respect to x. Therefore if we differentiate cos x, it becomes minus sin x. Therefore minus 2 sin x plus. So here differentiate with respect to y. Here no y term, therefore it becomes 0. Therefore pi is equal to y cos x divided by d square plus d dash minus 6d dash square plus 2 sin x divided by d square plus d dash minus 6d dash square the whole square. Here use the cos of ax plus by rules. Therefore d square is equal to minus a square. Here a is 1, therefore minus 1, and d dash is 0 because no y term, and d dash square is also 0. Therefore substitute here. Therefore it will become y cos x divided by minus 1 plus 2 sin x divided by 1. Therefore particular integral equal to minus y cos x plus 2 sin x. Therefore substitute here. Z is equal to CF plus PI. Therefore Z is equal to f1 of y plus 2x plus f2 of y minus 3x minus y cos x plus 2 sin x. This is the solution. In this type, particular integral for x and y with e power ax plus by. Here put d is equal to d plus a and d dash equal to d dash plus b and take e power ax plus by outside. Then follow type 4. In type 7, it is for particular integral of x and y with e power ax plus by with sin of ax plus by or cos of ax plus by. So it can be asked like this: x into e power x into sin x. So here put d is equal to d plus a and d dash equal to d dash plus b and take e power ax plus by outside and follow step 5.